Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about partial derivatives. So now I want to show you how to answer this one. That means we need to do first derivative of W with respect to R. So that is about this one. So the formula to do this one. For example, we have W equals to the square root of capital A. So if we do first derivative of this one, we need to do first derivative of 8 over number 2 with the square root of capital 8. This is the formula to find the answer of this one in here. So now if we do first derivative of this one, so we will put capital A, that is about this one, go in here. So we just write the same. Later that we need to do first derivative of R. So in this capital A, we just have only 9R squared. So first derivative of R squared, that is about 2R. But we have number 9 in here. So number 9 with number 2, we have 18R. Later that we need to simplify by number 2. So 18 divided by 2, we have number 9. Now we can do similar for the second one. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.